upward facing dog. Look up.
Hi guys. It's been a while since the last time na nag-vlog ko. Purpose of vlogging is not about to become a vlogger, but my purpose is to store memories. So the least thing you can do is to store it in one particular app or something, and that's YouTube. That's why nagbalik og vlog. Anyway, I'm on my way to yoga. It's around 8 a.m. now, so akong schedule is 8:45. I just want to share something very very important, why I decided to enroll and why nahimo kong part ani na community. Last year, I think June or July, nagka-anxiety ko. I have illness anxiety disorder. So that's my case. So there are a lot of kanabitang pwede na buhaton na to. Pero it's true. Nalisod yun di ay kayo pag you're going through that. It's really hard. Na even sa imong self, di ka kabalo, kanabitang extreme sadness, extreme tanan, di ka malipay, marag, kumaga tanggalon niya tanan sa imo ha. Muna, ako I'm very vocal na, yes, na ako yung anxiety, so, the hell you care, di ba, maraging na good. Others kasi, they keep it sa ilang self lang, because, baka, inguno nila na, I'm crazy or what. No, you're not. It's just that you're focused enough sa mga things that leads you to mag-worry ka, mahadlok ka, and I want to encourage everybody na if you're going through that right now, makagawas lang gid mo. Just you know, kanang grabe gid ang prayers, kanang willingness bitaw nimo to get over it, maringon ana. So nangita kog mga other kung unsaon ako para ma-divert na ko akong attention and all that. So hangtod na naabot ko ani na community. So before di ay ani, wala pa ko nagka-anxiety. I wanted to enroll to yoga, pero wala gid ko'y time balik. Sayang nga sa kwarta, oy, kay medyo expensive gid siya ha. Sayang ang kwarta, wala ko time and all that. And then ingon ko na siguro it's true no, when the time is right, the Lord will make it happen. Kay katong time na nag-anxiety ko, like walay lain na nisulod sa akong mind na gusto na ko is mag-yoga gid ko. Until move forward, I've been doing yoga for almost a year now, and then naanapod ko yung na-discover I'm doing Pilates also. So that's why namarag ako ang kanang nagaano gid ko, naga-spend time ko para sa akong self, and kanang gratitude, kanang growth nimo as a person, it continues. Di gid dapat na maputol. So it's nice na matudloan ka how to stay calm, ng peace of mind. Grabe, di gid na mapahit guys. Misigon sa kakadakag kwarta kung wa kay peace of mind, di gid na useless gid ang kwarta nimo. Bonus na lang gid kung nakay kwarta kasi you can do whatever you wanna do man. So ako, I'm doing my best na kanang ma-continue bitaw na ako akong ginabuhat. So mo lang to, medyo taas akong na-share no, pero tukuas akong bukton, uy, pero sige lang. Love yourself. Anyway, so moto, I hope na katong mga tao who's dealing same situation sa ako, believe me, you can get over it. Kailangan lang gid nimo pag-ampo, kailangan lang gid nimo tabangan nimong sarili for you to get out of that zone, of that era sa imong life. Kasi when you go out, ako, I'm not that fully okay na gid ko, pero it's way better sa akong na-experience siguro 8 months ago prior sa akong wedding. Wa gid ko na anxiety sa akong kasal, guys. Wag yung pakialam na abot ako sa point na wa na ko okay ra ko kung kasun ko or dili ingon ana, because of mas gina-prioritize na ako ang akuang mental health. Mo nang ginaingon bitaw nila na protect your mental health at all costs. It's really true. Protect it at all costs. So, mo lang to akong quick share. I'll see you there pag naan ako dito sa amuang club. Bye! I'm here na, guys. It's my first time na wala ako na late. So, akong schedule is 8:45. Naabot ko 8:40. So, sakto lang. And for sure, kani mga kauban ako susulod, ma-shock din sila kay early kayo ko. So, let's see what's inside. Bye! Hello guys! We're done sa ako ang yoga session and I got a new merchants from Padma and kaning hair, ano siya tawagan? Headband ba ni siya? So this is 180 and this is 500 pesos. And right now we are going to where to Paramount. Kauban akong mga yogis, mommies, kay mag-coffee sa daw mi kadali, and then after that magbuhaton ako mga errands and i-pick up na ko akong husband. Diba? Ako yung mo pick up. And then maguli na din ko sa balay. So basically that's my day pag mag yoga session ko. Bye!